Please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering concepts. In this video, I will explain you complete reinforcement details of G+2 building. So basically G+2 building is nothing but your ground story building plus 2-story building, which is equals to 3 slabs. 3 multiplied by 3, which is approximately equal to 9 to 9.3 meter. Okay, so basically we will consider 3 meter or 3.3 meter for the ground story for the parking purpose. So for this respected building, it will be consisting of 9 or 9.3 meter. So I was already explained ground story complete reinforcement details and the G+1 complete reinforcement details in my previous videos. I will provide you that video links in above card link and below description of this respected video. Please follow that video initially. So before crossing to your respected G+2 building complete reinforcement details, initially we need to fix the dimensions of the beams, columns and slab foundation. Okay, so basically for construction of any kind of the building which is related to G+2 story model, initially we need to assume the dimensions of the column is 12 inches cross 12 inches, which is approximately equal to your respected value of 300 cross 300. For the beam sections and plinth beam sections, we will consider the same dimensions, 12 inches cross 12 inches. And for the foundation, we will consider the depth of the foundation is 6 feet or 7 feet, depends upon your loading condition and depends upon your soil bearing capacity. So length and width of the foundation, basically we will consider it as 5 feet cross 5 feet, and slab thickness will be approximately, we will assume this respected value of 125 mm. Okay, now I will explain you what is the reinforcement that we need to use for construction of G+2 building. So basically for construction of any kind of the building which is comes under your G+2 model, initially we need to assume the bars which are used for this respected structure. Basically for designing of any kind of the building, initially we need to assume the bar sizes which is related to 16 mm bars, 12 mm bars and 10 mm bars and 8 mm bars. So I will explain you complete reinforcement of G+2 building now. So for column section, initially we need to consider the dimensions as 12 inches cross 12 inches. So for this respected 12 inches cross 12 inches dimensions, we need to provide 8 number of bars, main bars for this respected section which is related to Fe 500 grade steel. We need to provide 8 number of bars which is having the diameter of each bar is 16 mm. Okay, so 16 mm diameter bar we need to provide 8 numbers which is having the center to center distance between each column. Basically we will consider it as 200 mm. Okay, so for this respected main bars for column section we will assume 8 bars, and for stirrups basically we will assume 10 mm diameter bars, and we will place this respected stirrups in between 6 center to center distance. Okay, so basically we will assume center to center distance between the stirrups for the column section is 6 inches. Okay, so this is the reinforcement value. This reinforcement value will be applicable only for M20 grade concrete and Fe 500 grade steel. If you increase the grade of the concrete and if you increase the grade of the steel, basically the reinforcement values will also changes. Okay, now I will explain you reinforcement values for beams and plinth beam sections. So basically beams are divided into two types. Okay, depends upon your loading condition distribution. So main beams are used for transferring the loads for the vertical members, and plinth beams are related to your supporting members for the vertical sections. So initially I will explain you reinforcement details for plinth beam section. For plinth beam sections, basically we will consider 12 inches cross 12 inches is the dimensions of your respected beam section. So for this respected 12 inches cross 12 inches beam section, we will consider the values of your respected bars are 6 numbers. So basically we will provide 6 number of bars for this respected plinth beam, and 3 bars at the top reinforcement and 3 bars at the bottom reinforcement. For top reinforcement, bottom reinforcement, the bars which is related to the corner section we will assume it as 16 mm, and the bars which are at the center position we will assume it as 12 mm. Okay, so basically we will provide 6 number of bars is sufficient for G+2 building for the plinth beam section, and stirrups basically we will consider it as 8 mm bars, and we have to place this respected stirrups at a distance of 6 inches center to center distance for each stirrup for the length of the beam. Okay, so this is the reinforcement values for the plinth beam sections. Now I will explain you complete details of main beam reinforcement section. For main beam also basically we will consider the dimensions of your respected beam is 12 inches cross 12 inches. So for this 12 inches cross 12 inches beams, basically we will provide 6 number of bars for the beam section, so which is consisting of 16 mm diameter at the corner reinforcement section at the top as well as your bottom, and we had to provide the 2 number of bars at the center, at the top one and bottom one, and we had to provide along with this respected bars, we had to provide 2 number of cracked bars. Okay, cracked bars are very much important for construction of any kind of the building which is related to your G+1 or G+2. Why? Because the loading transfer will be observed through this respected cracked bar only. Okay, so this reinforcement values will be applicable for M20 grade concrete and Fe 500 grade steel, and we had to place the stirrups which is at a distance of 6 center to center, and we had to take the dimensions of your bar size which is equals to 10 mm bar size we will use for main beam section. For plinth beam section we will use 8 mm bar size, and for main beam section we will use 10 mm bar size for the beam reinforcement details for the stirrup section. Now I will explain you complete reinforcement details of slab. So for construction of any kind of the building which is comes under your G+2 structure, basically we will assume the slab thickness will be approximately equal to 125 mm. For this respected 125 mm slab thickness, we will provide main bars as well as distribution bars for the slab section. The main bars which is having the diameter of 10 mm we will use as the main bar sections, which is having the center to center distance between the each bar. For main bar we will consider it as 6 inches or 5 inches, depends upon your loading condition and depends upon the grade of the concrete. So this respected main bars with 10 mm size and 5 or 6 center to center distance between the each main bar will be applicable for M20 grade concrete Fe 500 grade steel. So along with this respected main bars we will provide distribution bars. So for distribution bars we will use 8 mm dia bar size, and we have to place this 8 mm dia bar size at a distance of 8 center to center distance in distribution section. So this respected bar size and the distribution section center to center distance will be applicable for M20 grade concrete and Fe 500 grade steel. Now I will explain you complete reinforcement details of foundation design. For construction of any kind of the building which is related to the G+2 model, we will assume the dimensions of the foundation is 6 feet or 7 feet depth of the foundation, and we will consider the length and width of the foundation is 5 feet cross 5 feet. So for this respected 5 feet cross 5 feet basically we will provide 16 mm bars. We will place this respected 16 mm bars in a horizontal position as well as vertical position in order to prepare the mesh. Basically we will prepare this mesh with the help of 16 mm bars with 5 center to center distance. Okay, we will prepare 16 mm bars which is having 5 feet cross 5 feet is the dimensions of the pit, and we will use this 16 mm bars mesh which is having horizontal and vertical reinforcement is 16 mm bars with 5 center to center distance. Okay, so this respected values of the reinforcement will be applicable for M20 grade concrete and Fe 500 grade steel for the respected G+2 building. So this is the complete reinforcement details of G+2 building. If you have any queries about this respected video, please text me your questions in the below comment box. I will try to give the answers for the respected questions. Thank you.